Brand image is important. That's how we identify you. Let's say you are a producer. Every time that you're in production mode, you're on set, maybe you wear a red cap. That's how everybody identifies you as a producer. The producer who always wears a red cap. His name is X, Y, and Z. Or let's say that you are a business owner. Whenever you see me, there are certain things that you're going to always see me in. One, a ring. You're going to see a bracelet on my right wrist, and you're going to see my watch on my left wrist. The only time that you're not going to see me really in those particular things is when I'm on my way to the gym, I'm at the gym, and I'm coming home from the gym. Or maybe I'm just sitting in the house. But for the most part, whenever it is that I am doing business, you will see me with those three things on. You will always see me with a dress shirt, some jeans, and some high-top gym shoes. Or either some really nice dress shoes. And my gym shoes will still make my ensemble look nice. Trust me. There's one particular reason why I wear gym shoes. It's not because of my brand identity, but because I've had an issue with my foot for the past 15 years. I've had major surgery on it. So you'll see me in a pair of gym shoes. But when I'm feeling frisky, when I don't care about pain, you're going to see me in some dress shoes, some bad dress shoes. I'm going to be looking good and I'm going to be smelling good, because image is everything. When you talk to people, your breath needs to smell good. Your body needs to smell good. You need to portray a certain image. You need to know what colors look good on you, what colors to stay away from. What are your colors for your brand? The colors that are for your brand, you're going to make sure that you always have those particular colors on. It is a must to make sure that your brand image is never tarnished. You never look a certain way that you don't want to portray your best self or your highest self. Most people will say, well, sometimes you can't always, look good, or you can't always. Well, yes, you can. Yes, somebody might catch you at the store and you might have to sell yourself at the store. Those are things that don't always happen. But when you are in a mindset of intention, where you're always looking for opportunities, if you're always looking for opportunities, you're already aware that your brand image has to be on point everywhere that you go. Brand image is important. Make sure that you're taking care of your brand's image.